Don't be a dweeb.
I know.
Don't be a goofball.
Stop looking like that.
Hey guys, so today we're gonna be doing the whisper challenge. I already did this with Dustin, but I got my little sisters with me and they want to do it, so that's who these two are, my little sisters.
Hi.
So yeah, if you guys are interested in watching this, then you should keep watching. And this is Sam and this is Shelby, and if you're new here, I'm Whit. So enjoy this video and give us a thumbs up before you go. Oops. So Shelby's gonna go first. She's gonna have the headphones on, and then me and Sam are just gonna like alternate back and forth with saying stuff, and she has to try to figure out what we're saying. If you don't know what the whisper challenge is, she's gonna have the music blaring in her headphones, so she has no idea what we're saying, but she has to try to guess what we're saying. Okay, bye. Can you hear me? The banana has legs.
The banana has some pigs.
The banana has legs.
The banana has legs.
Yeah.
Eat your foot.
Eat? Why do you look like an old lady?
Foot.
Like,
Eat your foot. Kids furniture.
No. If your hands are really hairy.
Beans are really hairy.
No. Your
green beans. What kind of green beans you eat?
Your eggs are very hairy.
No.
Well, I forgot what you said.
Your hands are very
that's weird.
hairy. I don't know.
Hey, let me do one.
Who do that?
Where? My eyebrow died. My eyebrow died. My eyebrow died. My eyebrow died.
Eyebrow died?
Yes, good
Oh,
job.
good.
I'm gonna play the gumbo song.
Oh no.
Gummies with you. Okay, I'll go. I am thinking bananas.
I'm licking bananas.
I am thinking bananas.
I am thinking about bananas.
thinking
I
bananas.
am picky about bananas.
Am
I am
thinking.
plenty.
Thinking.
Licking.
Thinking.
Kitty. Picky. Thinking.
Thinking.
I'm thinking about bananas.
No, I am thinking bananas.
I am thinking. Please. Panties.
She said Bandy.
Bananas. Bananas.
Punani.
Oh no. Are you ready? Would you like some popcorn?
Would you like some firewood?
Popcorn.
Popcorn.
Would you like some
Would you like some popcorn?
Depressing.
Tomatoes are so pricey.
Tomatoes are so depressing.
Tomatoes are
Depressing.
temperature.
Just like the way.
I'm sorry, we're having technical difficulties.
She don't know how to work.
Okay,
the
here we
phone.
go.
Okay. I like eggs.
I like.
Oh my god.
I like eggs.
Don't eat my food.
Don't eat my food.
Ugh.
I am pretending to be a tomato.
I pretend to be tomatoes.
She's freaking good at this.
Okay. I'm not weird, I'm gifted. I'm not weird, I'm gifted.
I'm not being your friend.
Ugh, why does she sound like a robot?
I'm not being your. I'm not weird, I'm gifted.
I'm not weird, I'm different.
That's true.
No, I'm not weird, I'm gifted. Gifted.
Gifted.
I'm not weird. I'm everything.
No.
I'm not weird. I'm
Gift.
interesting.
That didn't look nothing like.
Gifted. Look at my lips. Gifted.
Nothing. I thought you were saying I'm weird, but I'm different.
You were being so loud at the beginning. You're like, I like eggs.
I'm slow. Okay.
Fat kids are harder to kidnap.
Oh no.
Fat kids are harder to kidnap. Fat kids.
Fatties.
Kids.
Tees.
Fat tees. Fat kids are hard to kidnap. What are you doing? Fat kids are harder to kidnap.
Fat kids
Are
are
harder.
What is going on with my hair?
Harder.
harder
Yeah.
than not.
Girl, she suck.
Look at my
I didn't know
butt
what
cheek.
you were kidnap.
Oh.
My
It's
God.
dead.
No, it's not.
We freaking
I look
suck.
like I'm bald. I need to start wearing wigs. Alright, you guys, this is it for our whisper challenge. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe before you leave.
Subscribe.
We love you. Follow me on social media. You know what
You
is.
already know what
Follow
it is.
my
You already
sister.
know.
Oh, you already. Hey.
Here, let me.
Copyright.
Copyright. It's a lot of bad things that they wish and I wish and Get it, Shelby. Hey. Get your stank feet off. Alright, you guys. We out.
We out.